Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about Viewstate. We have created one new page called viewstate.spx. In this page we will show the use of Viewstate. In all web application, whenever a web page is processed at the server, the page is created from scratch. In traditional web application, the server discards the page information after processing and sending page to the browser. Because the page information is not preserved on the server, the web page is called stateless. The framework automatically saves the state of the page and its current properties and the state of the server control and their base property which each round trip using the view state. So this is the use of view state. Now let's see how view state works. So we are taking one combo box, which is a drop down list, adding items to the combo box. Now we have added 3 items. Set its enable postback property to true because we want to enable postback because we want to execute event on the item changed event of the combo box. Now I want to show which color is displayed. So for that, take one label. We have taken one label. Now on the item changed event of the drop down list, write label 1.text is equal to drop down 1.selected state. So this is the use of view state implicitly by server. Let's look at the view source. We can see one input type which is hidden is used to storing a view state, and it contains some encrypted information in base 16 which we cannot understand, but ASP.NET server decrypt very easily. So this is about view state. We can also pass view state to other pages by creating view state object, but view state used for only post method. We cannot utilize view state into the get method. So this is the limitation which can be resolved by session, which we will show in next video. Thank you.